In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Chrysler Pacifica key fob. This key fob was used on Pacificas between 2004 and 2008 and uses just one CR2032 battery. You can change this yourself at home. It's super easy. All you'll need is one of these batteries. You can go ahead and check the description. I put a link in there to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then you can just follow along. First step is to locate on this part of the key fob a small slot that we can insert a flathead screwdriver in. Any flathead that will fit in there and just allow you to twist, just turning like a key until you have a little separation there between the two halves of the key fob. Then what I like to do is go down, twisting, until it comes apart easily with your fingers like that. Set this part to the side. Carefully remove the rubber part. Set that to the side, and there's our battery. We're just going to come under the battery with our tool and just lift it up until the battery comes out. Go ahead and take a new CR2032 battery, and we're going to make sure that the positive side is face down when we put it into place and click it back in. That's all it takes. Just need to put the rubber back on, make sure it's in place, and put the face of the key fob right back on, click it into place, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs from any make or model, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.